Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And you know, one thing I hate about Macs nowadays, the old Macs, you had little stick-up things. You could put your wireless mouse in or your corded mouse. You now have things you can put on the back of the mouse and put your Mac Mini on or a hard drive. But there's nothing where to put things. You can put them on the table, but they fall off, they roll off. You put them in a box or a bin. You can't find them, or you can't remember where you put them. And I've got dongles and flash drives and batteries and, you know, AAAs. What I'd love to do is go all the way across the bottom of the Mac. But as a temporary expedient till I find something better of material, I had this Tidy Cat jug of cat litter. I was trying to make a shelf for this, but this is just too hard. But I'm going to try to make a scoop out of this. But I did make this. I made a little shelf for it. And with this, the problem with this camera, there's no dimmer switch. I can now keep my extra battery, my Logitech dongle, and maybe another battery, and a pen. Pen will not weigh it down. I tried putting the camera in, it started to collapse it, and it's just temporary until I get some bracing of some kind to hold this end up. This end holds up fine. And it increased the heat a little bit on this side, but that's okay. Now, if I could find a machine shop and measure the Mac, maybe I could get them to build me a shelf. Now, the ideal thing would be a retracting shelf. But a shelf all the way across, say, here's what I need. I need it like, what is that? You know, that far out and running the length of the thing and just clamp it on. You cannot put magnets on aluminum, so it's a real problem. But for now, this solves a real problem of mine. Where are my batteries? Where is my dongle? Where's a pen? And I can, if I had a shelf all the way across, I could put my AA and AAAs in here. They wouldn't be in a cigar box. There's my flash drive. I could put my flash drive in here. But I've never seen anybody do this with an Apple, with a Mac, I mean. And so this is something made out of what's going to go in the recycling bin. And it's just took some duct tape and a pair of scissors and a cutter. This stuff is really hard to cut, even with the yellow blade I have. So now I might make a second one across the other side the next time I get one of these. This will elude me for now until I figure out some material. I want to put it so it's on the side of the 3-door, 4-door cabinet, because when I go by Fluffy, it puts out a lot of light, but it still can't quite see Fluffy. He's very happy in this kitty bed. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, but hopefully you're dry and warm. It was 38 last night. Tonight it will be 34, and I'm going to freeze. I was freezing last night. I've not forgotten the Nori video, but it's real hard to concentrate. Excuse me. Concentrate when you're freezing your butt off. I had to run the electric heater last night, and I went out about 2 a.m. to put food out for the kitties because they need dry food when it's cold, and it was cold out there, but it was 62 degrees here last night, but it felt like 32. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day.